Okay, just a follow-up on our shit box. This is year two that we've had it out. We take it out 3 or 4 times a year, so last year and this year I did some small restoration projects on it. We probably got about 75% of it done. You know, we've got all the exterior lights working. Of course, I've got my license plate that says the shit box on it. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. The awning works. I don't have it out this time, but it does work. So let's go in and take a look around at all the improvements that we've made over the last couple of months, last year, this year. So, let's see if I can focus. Okay, so we've got, our upholstery has been redone on all our couches, benches, and on our bed in the back. They painted the sides, some accent walls and some of the weird wood paneling they have. We did the roof white. We left the original wood alone for now, this original wood color. It's kind of nice, gives it a rustic kind of look. We did put in new trim just recently to kind of clean up what was there before. We put on new curtains, of course, and we put in all the new knobs. We installed removed the old Dometic refrigerator, installed a new one, put some new trim in there. It works great. We do not have central air with this unit, this trailer, so we installed this portable unit, and then I just ran the pipe right out the back, drilled a hole through the side of the camper, and I run the exhaust out there. It works great. I don't think it would work in 100 to 110 degree weather, but for what we need it for, of course it works great. We left the old wood here alone, but we started putting up cork boards so that we can tack up all the places that we've been and visited. Of course, there's the back bed. It does fold up into a couch, and we reupholstered it, but for now we just left it. We leave it as a bed. Only my wife and I use it. And you can see we followed the red accent walls to match the upholstery through to some of the walls, but left the wood, deep wood color for now. We might change that eventually, but for now we'll just leave it the wood color. We did install cedar shelves in here, so if you can see it, it's nice. The cedar smells great, and it's really light, so it doesn't add a lot of weight to the trailer. Pretty quick, simple install, nothing fancy, but it gives a lot of additional shelving space to the closet. Of course, we've added lots of hooks all over throughout the camper. Storage is #1 requirement, so we've hidden all kinds of storage devices and hooks and nooks and crannies. I've got the all new backsplash on our stove, and we've blacked out. I painted the stove so it looks almost new. Of course, followed the sink cover, the color, accent color to the sink cabinets. Next we'll probably be doing the countertop and maybe just something about the faucets, but for now it's functional and it works. I put all new flooring in. This is just the vinyl flooring. It's simple installation, easy in, easy out. If we needed to replace it, we kind of just lift it out pretty easily. Usually we just add carpets and use carpets on top of this. Especially the carpets are nicer to walk on. And then in the bathroom, of course our black water tank doesn't work, so we just have a simple buddy system with kitty litter in there for the ladies, and then the men use the outdoor or use the local shower bathrooms at the campground. We still have to paint the back wall here, but what we did do is, I can't take a shower in the shower, it's too small, not to mention our hot water heater has to be replaced yet, so we just put these simple shelves in here for storage. These are great and easy to use, and I use some cargo netting to hold it all in place when we drive, and it gives us a huge amount of storage, for all the sheets, blankets, pillows, and all that kind of stuff. I guess that is about the full details of this last 2 years upgrades and improvements. We've done a great job taking it from that ugly shitbox to now really fully functioning, trailer for my wife and I. Like I said, my daughter does come with us once in a while with a friend, but really this is for 2 people. It's kind of small. But it came out looking gorgeous and very comfortable and extremely functional. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments, please reach out and let us know. Thanks. Bye-bye.